error handling in Power Query. Now in this video we are going to learn how to take care of errors. If we are getting any errors in code of Power Query, then how we are going to take care of those errors. So here I have written all kind of error handling, but I am going to discuss only one, that is try otherwise in this video. Now how try and otherwise is performing. If you are using your Excel and you are just using if error function, so try and otherwise is as same as your if error function. Now what if error does? Let's say here I'm going to check this one. This one will produce error. Then what I will try otherwise means if this will cause an error. If you will see this list, error A 1 2 3 true, error F. So if I will simply find out the 0 record, it will give me error. If I will if this will be error, then it will produce otherwise. So if I will enter 1 in it, it will not give me error because it will give me 1. Let's try in the Power Query. So here we have our Excel. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to load my Power Query data tab, get data, and launch Power Query editor. Now you will see here we have blank query. Go to other source and blank query. Now I'm going to write that thing in it. So I'm going to open my advanced editor. Here I'm going to write, let's say list. Let's say I'm writing error A, comma B, comma C, comma error F. So now you will see I have 1 2 3 4. I have 4 items in my list. Now if I will try 0 and just load it, you will see it is not loading because it is giving me expression error. If you will see in first item of my list, it is a error. Now how we can fix it? Sometimes you just extract those data which has error. So how you can deal with those kind of errors? Just try if error function. Now how if error? Just basically try otherwise. So let's say I am trying otherwise. So here is if error. Now I'm going to try otherwise. I'm going to cheat over here and I'm writing otherwise. Now if this would be error, then I don't want 0 record. I want the, let's say, second record. So second record would be B, or second record would be C, not B. So click done and you will see here I'm getting C. Let's try one more example in it. So I'm simply closing and load it. Now you will see here we are getting C. Now if I'm going to try this one, this example, if you will see here we have standard rate and here we have custom rate. Now if I'm going to use if error function in my normal Excel, let's say here I'm going to use if error. So what if error will do? If error, so I will check this column. If this would be error, then I want this column, otherwise the same column standard rate would be achieved, and you will see 1 2 3 and here we have error, so it is getting me 2. Now I can do this in Power Query by using try and otherwise. Just delete this column and I'm going to load this data tab. Here we have table and range. Now in this table I'm going to simply going to add a new custom column, and here I'm going to check try this one. If this would be error, then what do you want otherwise? This one. Things to be noted over here that Power Query is very case sensitive. If you are let's try trying this, so now it is going to cause me an error, and you will see here it is not going to correct it itself. You need to check here, and sometimes it does not show the correct position of your error. So what I need to do, I need to fix it. Or if we have one more alternate, we can just ask this question from ChatGPT, or now click OK and you will see the same answer I'm getting. Now I'm going to try one more thing in it. Now here I'm loading my advanced editor, and this time I'm explaining to you how to add comments in your advanced editor. Let's say I want to add comments here. Now what I will do, I will say I can simply add double slash and write anything whatever you want. Let's say I want if standard rate will give me error, then it will give custom rate. Now you will see whenever I'm simply typing double slash and error and the simple plain message, it is becoming green because it is a comment. And how, let one more tip to add comment is, let's say if you want to add comment in 2 lines. Now let's say here it is. Now you will see it is not becoming green while I have not put comma. Now how you can fix it? So instead of this double slash, what you can do, you can simply put slash star, and here we need to put once again. Now we need to put star hash, and you will see now we are able to put comment in 2 lines. So if you are able if you want to put comment in 1 line, you can use double slash, or if you are even, you can use the same trick in 1 line. If you want to put comment in multiple line, then you can use this trick. So here is the comment section, how you can put comment in your Power Query Advanced Editor. So let's turn it, and I can simply close and load to Excel, and you will see here it is. So this was the error handling and your comment section in Power Query. See you in next video. In next video we will understand list, record and table. Till then, you can subscribe the channel. Enjoy the learning.